A timeline collision is coming in 2035. When the climate crisis hits our current reality, we will feel the results of the choices we made or didn't make. No matter what we do, a change is coming, and the window we have to reduce the devastating effects of that change is small. It opens now and will close in 2035. If we do nothing in the next 5 to 10 years, the change will be irreversible. There's no getting it back. And for those who still think Earth can bounce back from anything, you probably weren't paying attention in science class. When the ecosystems that keep this planet running collapse, there's nothing left to regenerate with. And if we don't use the time we have to make these changes, there will be no future for the children growing up right now. What will happen? At 1.5 degrees Celsius of global warming, we lose critical ecosystems, safety thresholds, and climate stability, especially for vulnerable communities. Coral reefs, Arctic ice, and food security are among the first casualties. Do those sound unimportant to you? They are the tipping domino. If those critical systems are lost, there will be no way to stop the cascade from happening. If current environmental degradation continues unchecked, Earth could become largely uninhabitable for humans by 2050-2100, with severe biodiversity collapse and ecosystem failure. This is the beginning of change that has to happen. If you're buying something, make sure it's not adding to the problem. That's how we start fixing this. We control the demand part of supply and demand. We are the ones who can choose how much emissions are released by our purchases. The two biggest changes we need to start doing are: 1. Stop buying gas-guzzling cars and don't think, if I keep my gas guzzler, it won't matter because I'm just one person. That kind of selfish thinking is what got us into this situation. I'll say it again, it is going to take all of us. If you have the means or opportunity to convert to solar or wind energy, do so. There are major efforts underway. Support them where you can. 2. The second largest industry that adds to the problem is animal agriculture. Billions of animals create tons of waste, and if anyone has ever smelled manure, try to imagine what billions are doing to our air, land, and watershed from runoff. Meat will be the hardest for millions to give up, but each one of you will have to decide. A few moments of pleasure against future generations starving because you couldn't make the tough decision. Think about it.